All right, we are in Red Bay, Alabama, and we have found this 1923 Baldwin. It's an 060. Is this EBT number 3? I don't know if that's East Broad Top or something else. We got a Illinois Central boxcar or caboose right there. I think I can get on one side of it. I don't know if I can get on the other. Do have a boilerplate though. 23007. It is. I think this covering is new over it because when I Google mapped it, it wasn't there. And a big water tower too. Yeah. Red Bay, Alabama. EBT. Says no climbing, Sarah, so she's SOL on the first train of our vacation. Sure, we'll find something for you to climb on. That's an 060. Oh, there's stuff down there. I mean, this little area right here looks really nice. I didn't expect it, you know. We're in downtown Red Bay. I didn't expect, I thought this train was just sitting here. EBT, I'm not sure what that stands for. Anything back there? Yeah, one of them slope back tenders. Interesting though. Yep, really can't get on the other side much. Yeah, trying to get out in the sun too. So it's standard gauge. Oh, so it's probably not East Broad Top then, because they're narrow gauge.
Oh, right.
So I don't know what EBT stands for. East Bama beat Tennessee. I don't know. But I guess I'll stop right here and take pictures in, because that's about all I can do, because I can't get on the other side. All right, thanks guys.